Hello, my name is Chris Sacchi and I'm the co-founder of Novedge. And today I'm here to answer the most common question that I get asked. Why buy design software from Novedge with all the other options that are available out there? Here's my answer. Number one, selection. We have more than 10,000 products for you to choose from, which means we're not here to try to sell you what we would like you to buy. We're here to help you find the best solution for your needs. Number two, competence. We have an excellent e-commerce website, but we're not an e-commerce company. We have real people that can help you navigate the complexity of today's design software. And number three, we work for you. Nobody here works on commissions, and we're not here to try to upsell you. We're here to assist you find the best tools for your design process. And we have done this successfully for the last 15 years. But of course, you shouldn't just trust me. I'm the co-founder of the company, so naturally I believe that everything we do is great. Go to novedge.com and try the Novedge experience for yourself. I believe that then you will agree with me.